Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to be talking about the $1,000,000 mind. The $1,000,000 mind. I know most of you guys are saying, Maurice, I've never made $1,000,000. I can't fathom $1,000,000. Well, ladies and gentlemen, whatever your financial goal is, okay, it has to be placed in the soils of your mind first, okay? If you were to go outside, ladies and gentlemen, in your home and let's say drop a seed in the ground, maybe it's a flower seed, maybe it's a pumpkin seed or a watermelon seed or an apple seed, okay? Whatever it is that you plant, okay? You put that seed in the ground, you cover it up with dirt, and you begin to water it, okay? And if you water it and give it let it hit the sun and get the right nutrition or what have you, eventually, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you planted will come up. And it's sad, ladies and gentlemen, to see so many people struggle in social media marketing, struggle in affiliate marketing, struggle in Shopify or whatever they set their mind out to do because they have negative seeds planted in their mind. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm telling you is this. If you want to be successful, you have to be successful in the mind first. Let me say that again. Matter of fact, write this down. If you want to be successful in social media marketing, have a 7-figure, okay, business. Now, the reason why I put $1,000,000 mind is because most of you guys' goals are too low, okay? A lot of you guys only want the small stuff because that's what you believe. You only believe you can have 5 clients. Well, I'm here to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, if you place the seed in your mind, okay, of 100 clients or 1,000 clients, okay, and you work at it every day and you believe in yourself, okay, you can do it, all right? Most of you guys, when you're making calls and you're embarking upon getting a client, you don't believe. Okay, if you don't believe in yourself, a client won't believe in yourself. Write that down. If you don't believe in social media marketing, if you don't believe social media marketing can change that business owner's life, all right, then they won't believe it. Okay, and all you want to do, okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's not about the presentation. It's not about having a silver tongue. It's about belief. Okay, it's about mindset. And what I want to do on this training today is help you guys shape your mind and get rid of the negative garbage that's holding you back. Okay, and I know that 98% of social media and running business, because I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in all type of business, brick and mortar businesses, internet business, social media marketing, ladies and gentlemen. It all boils down to one thing: mindset. Why is it that there you have some people making $100,000 a month in social media, and then you have other people who are only making $1,000 a month? It's all about mindset and what you believe. And if you don't believe, ladies and gentlemen, you can make it, all right, you won't make it. Let me say that again, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't believe you can make it, you won't make it, okay? Your decisions, ladies and gentlemen, decide your wealth, okay? Your decisions to read, your decisions to get a coach, your decisions to purchase the courses that you need in order to be successful. The reason why a lot of you guys aren't stepping out of the boat, you're not taking risks, you're not going for it, is because your mind is jacked up. You've been programmed, okay, with mediocre thoughts, a mediocre mindset. And like I stated before, if you don't have a $1,000,000 seed planted in your mind, ladies and gentlemen, you can't reap a $1,000,000 harvest. Let me say that again. If you don't have a $1,000,000 mindset placed inside of your mind, you can't reap a $1,000,000 harvest. Okay? The reason why most people don't have money in their pocket, in their checking account, is because they're broke inside, broke outside. If you want to be wealthy on the outside, okay, meaning your checking account and your pocket, you have to become wealthy on the inside, okay? You have to flourish on the inside. You got to become rich on the inside before you can become rich on the outside, all right? You can't put the cart before the horse, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of you guys want, hey, Maurice, just teach me how. Just teach me how. This right here is the most important thing, and I believe that it's holding 98% of you guys back from having true wealth and success in social media and in Shopify and affiliate marketing and all the things that you guys are doing. It's mindset. Set a big goal and go for it. All right? Now, I'm going to say something. There's two things, ladies and gentlemen, why you're not having success, okay? And one of them is skills, okay? If you're having problems in your social media marketing business, I can equate it to two things. Your mind, okay, and your skills. Your mind and your skills, all right? So if you're making cold calls and you're not getting the job done, you're not booking appointments, you're not seeing clients, then you need to improve your skills. How do you improve your skills? Number one, by getting a coach. Number two, by buying courses that can help you get better. By reading, by listening to positive stuff. Okay, by applying what you learn. By applying what you learn. Okay, practicing. A lot of you guys don't practice cold calling. You just want to automatically get clients. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to get good. Why is it that people like Kobe Bryant and LeBron James and Michael Jordan, all those guys were greats? Why were they so good at what they did? Simply put, they had skills. They worked at it day in and day out. Day in and day out. How many calls have you made today? Okay? How many customers have you talked to? How many courses have you purchased? How many coaches do you have? Okay? How many times a day did you pick up that phone and make cold calls or send the cold emails out or get on Facebook and DM business owners or LinkedIn or whatever strategy you're applying? Are you sharpening your skills? Because your skills will pay the bills. The better you get, the better your money gets. All right? You can't cheat success, ladies and gentlemen. I see a lot of you guys trying to cheat success. You don't want to pay the price, but yet you want to make the big money. You have to pay the price to be successful in social media marketing. Ladies and gentlemen, when I launched my career about 6 years ago in social media, I sucked just like you. I didn't know how to cold call. I was bumping my head against the wall. But you know what? Ladies and gentlemen, I said, hey, if I could just get 5 clients paying me $500 to $1,000 a month, I would be set. I can walk away from my job. So I did everything it took. Coaches, courses, books. I was reading hours a day, buying books on sales. I wanted to get better. I needed to improve my skills if I was going to recruit people. And a lot of you guys don't care about your skills. You're just trying to get on YouTube and just figure it out. But ladies and gentlemen, you have to invest in yourself, invest in your skill set. And if you do that, you will make money. Okay. So like I said, the number one reason why people are struggling in all endeavors of business is their skill set. Okay. They have a bad skill set. They haven't developed their skills and they're lacking in this area. And then the next thing, if your skills are on point, you can do it. You've been making the calls, talking to the clients, okay, but things are just still not rocking and rolling for you. You're still not hitting your goals. You're not achieving success in your social media marketing agency. The next thing is your belief. You have limiting beliefs. In other words, you don't believe you can get a client. You got the skills. See, because a lot of people got skills, but they don't believe. I talk to a lot of people, strategy calls, coaching calls. You name it, ladies and gentlemen. And one of the biggest caveats, okay, even we all deal with it. I've dealt with it before, okay, is our belief system. We've been programmed to go to school, get a job, and work for somebody else, to work 40 years of our life, to retire on 40% of our income in 40 years. We call it the 40-40 plan. Okay, we've been programmed to work for other people. So we don't believe we can make $1 million. A lot of you guys don't believe you can make $1 million. A lot of you guys don't believe you can have 15 clients paying you $2,000 a month. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you right now is to Get rid of that mental garbage. Go in there, get a sheet of paper, and start writing down all the stuff you don't believe. And then I want you to take a match, light that paper on fire, and burn all of those limiting beliefs. And then get a new sheet of paper and say, hey, I have 30 clients paying me $2,000 a month. That's $60,000 a month. You make $60,000 a month. You have to shape your beliefs. You got to say to yourself, go look yourself in the mirror and say, hey, I believe I can help 25 business owners, all right, set their Facebook ads up. I have my outsourcer set their Facebook ads up, and I can change that business's life. I can change that business owner's destiny. You have to believe that. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't believe it, they're not going to believe it. It's all about beliefs, okay? So your beliefs are snagging you. It's like you're trying to walk around with a chain and a ball holding you down. You're trying to run a race, but you got these negative beliefs that's stopping you from picking up the phone. The reason why a lot of you guys don't pick up the phone, simply put, you don't believe you can do it. The reason why you guys don't buy courses and coaches, you don't believe in yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, if you believed, okay, that if you made cold calls in 30 days that you can make $25,000 a month guaranteed, would you not be doing it? Of course not. You just don't believe it. So therefore you don't do it. You believe that the courses, okay, and the coaching won't help you. So therefore you don't do it. And that's the reason why 98% of the people online aren't making money, folks, is because they don't believe. Okay, you have to believe if you're going to have success. That means you have to believe it before you receive it. See, ladies and gentlemen, why is it that I can pick up the phone and just literally set appointments like nothing? Is it because I got skills? Yes. But it's also because I believe and I know that when I pick that phone up, it's over. I believe that I'm going to set appointments before I set the appointments. First inward, then outward. Okay, and so what you guys are missing, okay, and why you're not doing the things because you don't have certainty. All right, and certainty comes from belief and doing the thing. You have to do the thing so that you can begin to get the faith. Okay, you start to get those little wins. All right, that's why I always tell you guys to invest in yourself. All right, so that you can possibly maybe buy somebody else's belief before you can get your own. Okay, so I'm gonna tell everybody, I believe in you. You can do it, but you got to believe in yourself. You have to apply yourself if you want to be successful in social media. All right, you have to understand, ladies and gentlemen, psychologically, if you don't get it together on the inside, you won't get it together on the outside. You'll always have bills. You'll always be working for someone. You have to reprogram your mind for massive success. And the way you do that, ladies and gentlemen, is by the books you read, the people you meet. The books you read, the people you meet. The courses you purchase. The action you take. The coaches that you hire. Okay? You're not going to cheat success, folks. You have to pay your dues. A lot of you guys aren't willing to pay your dues. You're trying to look for the magic bullet. You're trying to look for a way out. But ladies and gentlemen, if it's to be, it's up to me. If you're going to be successful, okay, it's because of you. And it's because of your mind. And when your mind gets together, ladies and gentlemen, and you start to make the right decisions, and you start to believe, and you start to increase your skills, you won't have success. You can buy all the programs, watch all the YouTube videos you want. If you don't believe, you won't execute. Execution is because you believe. If I ask you if you made calls, if you bought courses, you probably say no. And I'll say you don't believe. You got to believe. So I want to challenge everybody today. Work on your skills and work on your belief system. Because those are the two things that are stopping you guys from getting rich. Let me say that again. Those are the two things that are stopping you from getting rich. Is your skills, and you have to invest in your skills, and your beliefs, and you have to work on your belief set. That's why this video is so good. $1 Million Mind. This is what this is for. You guys wonder why I just don't do all cold calling. I have to do mindset because most of your mindsets are broke. Most of you guys have broke mindsets. You have frugal mindset. I can't afford it mindset. You guys believe you can't afford a measly $1,000 to invest in yourself. That's nothing compared to college and what people spend to purchase a traditional business. Go purchase a McDonald's franchise. Okay, you're talking about $5 million. All right, and you got to have at least $1 million liquid in the bank. Okay, go open up a Starbucks. Same thing, about $3 to $4 million, and we're talking about a social media marketing agency that can pay you what a McDonald's or a Starbucks generates. And you guys want to invest a measly grand a month. You should be investing $1,000 or more a month in your education, getting better at this stuff. You got to get better. And when you get better, your money gets better. And the reason why your money's not better, folks, is because you're not getting better. You're not taking action. And your beliefs are so small that you just can't get ahead. You're wondering what's tripping you up. It's your beliefs. My name is Maurice Gear. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this training. I want you guys to comment below. I know I said a lot. If you guys need help, click the link in the description. Sign up for coaching. If you want to take your phone skills to the next level, click the link in the description. Grab the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. Everything you guys need to make a six-figure income in social media is in that course to help you crush it on the phone. Make sure you guys smash the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. Smash that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber of the channel. And I'll be putting out more videos like this to help you guys believe in yourself so that you can make any type of income you want to make. It's all about your beliefs and your skills. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.